Recording in progress.
Welcome to GCSE Science Chemistry Test. So here you can do two things. You can actually try and test yourself in your chemistry knowledge from start to finish and see how you get on. And it'll give you an idea what your strengths and your weaknesses are. But if you feel that you need to do quite a bit of research for a lot of the questions, and by all means you can do before you answer these questions, because that's a learning curve at the same time. In our next follow-up lesson, we will go through all of these questions one by one and give you some more information and explanations as we're going through. But let's just have a look at this first question together. So sodium is found in group 1 of the periodic table. What name is given to the element in group 1? So in this case, the element in group 1 for sodium is going to be an alkali metal. And by all means, do refer to the periodic table because you're allowed to do so. Good luck with these questions, and we'll follow these up in our next class, whereby we'll go through these questions in much more detail. Good luck for now. Thank you.